Good morning. It is about 5:30 a.m. The sun is about to rise. It hasn't risen yet, but we're on our way to Brekkie. So we are finally starting our trek back to Marrakech, which is going to be 9 hours. Another break, for this time for ice cream. 9 hours later, and we're finally back in Marrakech. You can already see how busy the streets are. And we finally made our way to the Riad. Oh my goodness, if you watched, I think part 1 vlog of Marrakech, we were in a different Riad when we first came to Morocco. That was utterly beautiful, but oh my goodness, this is twice as big and also so beautiful. This is the courtyard of one of the houses. Currently on the roof. There's multiple rooftops to the already rooftop. And this is our bedroom. It overlooks the pool, but not only that, is we have the whole upper floor. So over here is the toilet. Oh, just a toilet, nothing too crazy. This is the shower part. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Okay, so cute. So we got an eggplant. Looks like it's rolled up.
And it has cheese inside.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Oh, it's cold. That's good.
And it has some nuts on top of it. I think it's almonds. And then we have this.
This is good.
This place is simple. It's actually really good. It's my favorite place so far. Here you go.
It's really good. I like that.
Yeah, it's really good the way they rolled it around the cheese.
Can you smell the spices first?
Yeah, it's good.
Show to the camera. And good. So,
Very good.
enjoy your food.
Thank you so much.
So I'll bring you some of couscous to come and change it.
Okay.
Here.
Like a pastry where they rolled the vegetables inside and then made a like a cinnamon bun.
I really like that. Actually.
The new one. Tantia. I like this. It's more soft than a normal tangine, I think. Right, what do you think?
And the flavors are definitely different. And it comes with couscous with cinnamon on it. Very different. Oh!
Bubbles.
Yes.
What the hell? Well done.
If there's one thing that I suggest that you should do here in Morocco, it is definitely do a desert tour, even if it's not a 3-day trek like we did. If it's just like a day trek, I think that would be super cool because the whole experience was definitely something else. But I'm going to end today here and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, another day in Marrakech, and now we're on our way to Brekkie.
Take another one. No good.
Oh gosh. Pastries here are super good. They also have like baklava and little cookies, but morning pastries. 2.5 hours later and we finally made it to Ouzoud Waterfalls. So there are a bunch of monkeys here, but you have to remember, don't touch them and don't feed them because monkeys can get aggressive. This is Jacob.
Really good. Actually, kind of like Nutella.
Okay, so we're inching our way closer and closer to the bottom of the waterfall, but in these mountains, there are actually nomadic people that live in the caves. Here's the deal about swimming in the waterfall. You can't exactly swim in the waterfall because the currents are way too strong for swimming, but you can swim in the water that's going up to the waterfall, and that is what Jacob is doing. Marrakech. So if you want to go to the waterfalls, definitely book it through a tour thing. It takes about 2.5 hours to get there and then 2.5 hours back to Marrakech. We made our way to Jemaa el-Fnaa, which is a huge square. We came earlier this week during the day, but now we're here in the evening time. It is packed and it is crazy. If you do come here, just expect to constantly be hassled to come to their stall and eat, because I kid you not, we've been approached one after another. It's pretty nuts. Dinner was super tasty. If you are staying in Marrakech, I think the best thing is to stay within the Medina because it's all walking distance. You don't necessarily need a taxi, but if you do need one, there is an app that you can use, but otherwise it's easy to just walk. But now we're back at the Riad. I'm going to end today here. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't seen my other Morocco videos, please do so, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!